Here's a system for creating effective social media videos for your business on a regular basis. First of all, find yourself an area that you can use, somewhere that's not being used, that you can set up your kit, leave it there so you can just walk in, do the recording, and walk back out again. You can record on your phone or you might already have a camera. Either way, keep it nice and simple. Leave your tripod there, set up your phone, have it pointing straight at you. Make sure you've got nice light. You may be using an artificial light like we are, or you may have an area where you've got natural daylight coming in. Either way, you want your face nicely lit. Your audio needs to be good quality. So if you're using your phone, you could attach one of these, it's called a lav mic, straight into your phone. That will give you good quality audio, and audio is very important. Next, think about the format of the video. So I suggest starting simple, just talking to camera for 30 seconds, 1 minute about a subject that you already know about. Keep a list of the things that you could talk about. As you're doing them, you'll add to this list as well. More ideas will follow once you get started. Once you've recorded the video, just trim the beginning and end so that we get straight into it. We don't want to see you fumbling for the record button, and the end so that it just finishes nicely. You could add some captions if you like, but it's not completely necessary. Next, upload the video to social media, write yourself a nice post, and there you go. People have got to know you, they've seen you on video, and you've got your message out there efficiently and easily. With a setup like this, you can create a ton of social media content.